All right, so now we come to the most important part of this training video, which will be the home screen. So let's click on home, and you will get this if you have a product, first of all. Second of all, if people have paid for your product, which means they have access to it, whether it be a service, a download, or online course. So at the top, it will tell you what is the total amount that you have earned by day, and so on and so forth. And it will also tell you the total number of customers that you have acquired by day. And then if you go to the details tab, this is where you're going to be able to use this information into your API. So let's take a look at this. So the far left hand side, you have categories. So depending on if you characterize your product, then you can simply just search for it or sort it any which way you want. And then you have a product name, what kind of product it is, how much did it cost at the time of the purchase, and what currency it was used, and then the customer name, email, phone number, and then the date that they purchased this particular product, and then whether it was paid, because it's always going to be paid, and then what kind of payment type it was. So payment type, it could be a testing right now, because when you're testing the system, this is where it's going to show up here, test. If it's live, which means you're actually getting money from the customer into your bank account, then this will become the live version of it. So it will say live here. And this auto ID is very helpful if you want to keep track of, in terms of if you have to refund your customer, you will just keep this order ID, and that's that. And to make it one step further, so that you could incorporate that into your own KPIs, you can click on this export button and then export it into Excel, and the Excel file will have the same information. However, you can utilize that file to run your business for your own KPIs.